Happy New Year 2018. And hi, Nakumal is here. Welcome again to another video. So I just want to take some seconds to really wish you Happy New Year 2018. May 2018 be the best year ever, and that you achieve most of your dreams or your goals in 2018. So that being said, I really want to talk again about 2017, because I know that 2017 for me wasn't, it was a good year, but I didn't achieve the goals that I set for myself. And you may be at the same place or you achieve most of them, and if that is the case, congratulations. But for those who didn't achieve much in 2017, it is not a motive for you to not set new goals in 2018, because I know that many people will give up. The fact that they didn't achieve their goals in 2017 will make them feel sorry for themselves, self-pity, and they will lose hope, and they will say, okay, I'm not going to set new goals again because I'm not capable of achieving them. And that single feeling, it's something that I don't know whether we came into this world with it or we learned from our parents. And by that I mean take a look like a baby. When a baby is hungry, he cries, and like a magic hand comes from nowhere and solve his problem. Or the baby is uncomfortable, or something like a magic hand comes from nowhere again, comes and solve his problem. And that is the way we think. When we feel sorry for ourselves, we think that life will have pity on us and come to our help and give us whatever we want. It is not the way it works for being an adult. No one is going to come and solve your problem apart from you. So what I really wanted to do is, if you didn't achieve much in 2017, just stick to them, set them again in 2018, and go for them. Never give up. Never. Keep going. So talking about goals, I really want to point certain things here, because I think that many of us have a wrong definition of success. I did, and now I pretty much changed it, because I remember when I was in school, and then when I was passing my exams, so people were really giving me congratulations, or you're amazing, so you succeeded, or you didn't succeed. For those who didn't pass the exams, they feel like they were failures. But as now, where I really understood so many things based on the readings I did, the videos I watched, I realized that most of us has a wrong definition of success. Success now, the new definition that I have, it is moving toward a goal, moving toward something, not getting it. That is the new way I have. So if you didn't achieve them in 2017, you gotta notice that the best thing you did, it is to just moving every single day toward them, and this is the only way you're gonna reach them. If you give up in 2018, nothing is going to happen. So I want you to understand that you are on the right path. You are on the right path. Just keep moving, keep doing everything you can, keep giving all you got. They will come to truth, or to reality. You will achieve them. And then the definition of success that I really wanted to understand, to adapt from now on, it is this. I wanted to understand that success is not reaching a certain point. And you probably heard that success is a journey, is not a destination. So that simply means if your destination is here and you are moving toward it, you are already a success. Now when you get to that destination, we call it growth. So that means you grow up from one place to another place. And that is what I really wanted to understand, and really keep going, keep moving, never settle for what you got, because the truth, or the true you, is always here for expand. You want to grow. If you have this, you want to have more. If you do this, you want to do more. That is the real you. And I really hope that 2018 be the best year of anything that you will be doing. So this is pretty much what I really wanted to share with you. Happy New Year. And if you did not achieve much, set new goals, don't give up, keep moving, and realize that success is not a destination, it is just a journey. Moving toward your goal, you're already successful. So that being said, thank you so much, and just leave a comment below about anything you want, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button so that you won't miss any video I will be uploading in the next future. So that being said, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.